hour away from Taipei. Tomorrow we're going to be going to the milk tea factory over here. That chicken is so juicy. This is my hand. It's like so huge. What's this? This looks good too. They have this chicken. It kind of tastes like the fun shots of KFC or popcorn chicken. It's delicious. Hey guys, we are at the Kili, aka the milk tea factory. There's a big boba milk tea right behind me. We're gonna be doing a DIY milk tea. Super excited. We even have a souvenir shop with all kinds of boba. The origin of boba pearls. Yes.
When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm, do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Taiwan dollars, and we ended up getting 2 of these. So the container is a glass. So the minced pork is a staple in Taiwanese cuisine. So in the hotels we've been to, the restaurants usually always have this. It's delicious, especially when it's thick. Now we're at the Yilan National Center. Let's go. Carla got Yakult.
So Yakult
slushy. Then we have tofu. This is the chicken. We've been eating fried chicken since last night. Wonder how this one tastes. Probably chicken. Like sesame. Hey guys, so we're at the Shilin night market. There's so much food around us. But first we're gonna have dinner, but let's go check out some of the stuff they have here. Roast beef, oh god, yes. With the stuff I found in the store. Bought maybe more than 5 earrings for 1,250 Taiwan dollars. And now we're still looking in this part of Shilin. It's mostly clothes. I hope I can find more accessories. Ooh, food again. Just noodles. So this is what I got at the earlier in the milk tea factory. More boba chocolate on the earrings that I got.